Hey guys, this is going to be the warm-up part of our lesson. I like to start every single music lesson warming up using rhythms we've talked about, doing some melodies that really warm our voices up, and then today we're going to talk about something called an ostinato, but we'll get to that later. What I'm going to start with is a rhythm warm-up where I am going to be clapping and saying rhythms using ta, ti, ta-ah, which is our half note, and ta-ah-ah-ah, which is our whole note. What's going to happen is I'm going to clap and say first. Remember how important it is to clap and say. So when you're at home, please make sure you're clapping and saying. I'm going to clap and say first, and then you're going to echo it at home. So I'm going to allow there to be a period of silence where I will kind of be showing you what you should be doing, but I'm not going to be speaking it because that's what you're doing at your house, okay? So let's go ahead and try it. It'll make more sense when we start. Here I go. 1, 2, here I go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. 1, 2, here you go. 1, 2, here I go. Ta, ta. 1, 2, here you go. 1, 2, here I go. Ta, 1, 2, here you go. 1, 2, here I go. Ti, ti, ta, ta. 1, 2, here you go. So I hope that made sense. Those silent parts where I am kind of clapping but I'm not saying is where you are echoing me, okay? And we'll get better with this as we continue our music lessons online throughout these next few weeks, okay guys? Next, I want to talk about something that we really haven't had the chance to do in class, but I really want to work on it with you guys. So we're going to do some melody warm-ups using do, re, and mi, and you've probably heard those terms before. So I'm going to kind of show you the hand signs for those terms. Now, you do not have to do the hand signs at home. If you can only sing the melody and the hand signs are too much, just worry about singing what I sing. Don't worry about doing the hand signs yet, okay? This is just for fun, okay? So do is a fist and looks like this, okay? Do, all right? Re is when you have your hands slanted like this. Re. And then mi is when you move that slant up. Mi, do, re, mi, re, do. Okay? We're just going to try. If you want to try it with the hand signs at first, go ahead and try it. And then if it doesn't work out, just try singing what I sing. So it's going to be the same thing as the rhythm. I go first. You're going to echo me. Okay, ready? 1, 2, here I go. Do, re, mi. 1, 2, here you go. 1, 2, here I go. Mi, re, do. 1, 2, here you go. 1, 2, here I go. Do, mi, re. 1, 2, here you go. 1, 2, here I go. Re, mi, do. 1, 2, here you go. Good job. So I hope that also made sense how this echo is going to go. It's a great way to warm our voices up. Next, we are going to talk about that ostinato, that fancy Italian word I brought up earlier. Every time I teach ostinato, I say ostinato in a fun, silly way, and I use it with an Italian accent in the hand, okay? So if you would like to try it at home, this is what I do. I go, ostinato. So if that is something you would like to try at home, ostinato. There you go. It's just a fun, silly way to teach the concept. So an ostinato is when you are clapping or padding a rhythm while singing or speaking a song. Here's the catch. Today, I am not expecting you to speak or sing the song. I'm going to do the speaking and singing. However, at home, I want you to try to pat on your legs the ostinato that I'm about to teach you while I'm speaking the song, okay? So let me just teach you the ostinato first. Okay, it goes ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest. Okay, now that I've showed you, you can kind of see that the pattern stays the same. It's the same thing repeated. Okay, so you do it 2 times. I want you to try that with me now that you've heard it. Okay, so 1, 2, all together. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, 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 rest. Okay, great job. So you're going to take that ostinato, that rhythm I just showed you that repeats, and you are going to do it while I speak a rhyme. Remember, do not worry about what I'm speaking. Just pat and say the rhythm, okay? I'm going to pat it still, but I won't be able to say ta and rest since I'm speaking something else. So let's just try it. I'll show it to you though, okay? 1, 2, here we go. Nellie Bly caught a fly going home from school. Put it in her hot mince pie, waiting by to cool. Again, Nellie Bly caught a fly going home from school. Put it in a hot mince pie, waiting by to cool. Pretty silly rhythm or rhyme, right? Okay, if you could pat that while I was speaking, you just did an ostinato. Great job. Our goal in the future is gonna be to be able to say the rhyme and do the ostinato at the same time, okay? Don't worry about that now, but I know we'll get there. And that wraps up the end of our warm-up for the day. If you have any questions about warm-ups, feel free to contact me at cmcglasson@stcharlessd.org. I miss you guys so much. Hope you're doing well.